Okay, so this is lesson 5. Don't do anything yet because I just want to explain to you. First of all, everyone should be looking this way, of course. So our equation for lesson 5 is 5x minus 3x plus 2 equals x plus 5. So what do you notice that's different about this equation? Lorna?
There's subtraction.
Yeah, so your legal move that you're going to learn today is actually in the setup of your problem. So when it says 5x minus 3x, you're going to go ahead and do that subtraction most likely in your head. So if you put, you don't have to do anything yet. I'm going to show you and then you can set it up. If you did 5 x's, right, and then it says minus 3x, you would just take those off, correct?
Yeah.
Right? So you can do that in your head, or you could literally put 5 x's on and take 3 off. However you want to do it, but no matter what, you're going to end up with how many x's then? 2. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you're actually doing your legal move in your setup. So this becomes your new original setup of where you're going to do your check from after you've subtracted. And then you just go ahead and set up the rest of the problem. So you're left with 2x, so go ahead and set up 2x plus 2, and then equals x plus 5. So this becomes your original setup. This is what you're left with. 2x plus 2 equals x plus 5. That's where you're doing your check from. You understand that? Okay, so now you're going to solve and use your legal moves like you normally would. So what's our first legal move that we do? Peter?
5 minus 2.
Yeah, so we'll do 5 minus 2, which equals 3. Good. And then what can I do? Yabby?
Take 1 pawn from each side.
Good. Now I can take an x off of each side. So now I know that x is equal to 3. Good. So let's go back to our original setup. So we have x plus 2, or 2x plus 2 equals x plus 5. What do we say x is equal to? 3. Okay, so left side, 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 equals 8. And then on our right side, 3 plus 5 equals 8. So 8 equals 8. Check. Okay, let me just show you. I'll draw it out for you what we just did. You do that in your head. You can write, or you can put down 5 x's and take 3 off, but I'm just going to leave it with our 2 x's plus our 2 equals x plus 5. And we subtracted 2 from each side, right? We are left with a 3. We took an x off of each side. X is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 plus 2 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Any questions on that legal move? Okay, let me show you another one then. Okay, take your hands off. Let me write the equation, and then we'll set it up. Okay, so this one says 2x. So go ahead and start with your 2 x's. And then it says plus x, so add on an x. And then it says minus x, so go ahead and take that x off. Plus 1. And then equals x plus 9. So this, what you're left with, 2x plus 1 equals x plus 9. That's your original setup. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now what do we do? First legal move, Emily?
9 minus 1.
9 minus 1 equals
8.
8. Then what do I do? Next, legal move. Reese?
Take off 1 x from each side.
1 x off of each side. So now I'm left with x is equal to 8.
No.
Oh.
I forgot what I was going to say.
Okay, so going back to our original setup, so we have 2x plus 1 on our left side, x plus 9 on our right. So if x is equal to 8, we have 8 plus 8 equals
15.
plus 1,
17.
17. And then 8 plus 9 equals?
17.
So we have 17 equals 17. Check. That is falling over. So we did 2x plus an x Then we got rid of an x, minus x, plus 1 equals x plus 9. So again, later on this week, you will be learning how to write out the problem just like I am. So it's really important that you're watching because it's going to make it that much easier later on in the week. And we subtracted an x out of each side, and then we're left with x is equal to 8. 8 plus 8 plus 1 equals 17. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Easy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one more. Okay, I'm just going to write this one with you guys while you solve on your map. So don't do anything yet. Let me get the whole equation written down. It's a long one. Okay, here we go. So let's start. It starts with 4, so go ahead and put your 4 cube on. And you can go ahead and put 3 x's on and take 2 off, or do that in your head. If you do 3 x's minus 2 x's, you're left with what? 1 x, good. And then you're adding another x. So this is your original setup for your left side. Everyone get it? Okay, and then your right side, we have x plus 5. So what are we going to do first? Ronaldo?
Subtract 4 from 5.
Good. So 5 minus 4 equals? 1. Then what? What's next? Joey?
Remove 1 x from each side.
Good. 1 x out of each side. So now I'm left with x is equal to 1. Let's go back to our original setup. So go back to 4 plus 2x equals x plus 5. Okay, so we do 4 plus 1 plus 1 equals 6. And then on the right side, 1 plus 5 equals
6.
6 equals 6. Check. Easy?
Yeah.
Okay, keep this one off.